Go. Welcome, everyone. My name is Richard Affolter, and I'm the director of WEBA. Today, we are here in Canada with Robert Land Academy, which is the only military school available in Canada. So it's a great opportunity for all of you agents attending on the 10th of November at 8 o'clock UK time, the great workshop, together with the Major Troy Krivulak, who is now here with us today, and he will give a short introduction of what we'll be expecting you during the workshop.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for that introduction, Richard. My name is Troy Krivulak. I'm the admissions officer at Robert Land Academy. As Richard said, we're Canada's only military-inspired school. We are an all-boys boarding school. We offer grades 5 through 12 at our program. We use the military model to challenge our students to reach their academic, physical, and moral potential. Another big aspect of our program is the fact that we help our senior students in grade 12 apply for colleges and university. They get the support that they need to help them through that process and make it a really easy, effective method for them to apply for post-secondary schooling.
Thank you very much. I have a final question. What about sport activity in the campus?
We offer a variety of activities and extracurriculars. Sports teams are very popular with our school. We offer a number of adventure activities from canoeing to hiking. We have a scuba club and parachuting club at our school, and we believe in healthy, active living.
Thank you very much. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking forward to welcome you on the 10th of November at 8 o'clock a.m. UK time. So it's very important that you register below in order to receive all the information for attending. Robert Land Academy is located in Canada, in the state of Ontario. So we're looking forward to have a great workshop. Thank you very much.